Fears about the coronavirus have been overshadowing the flu, which infects and kills many more people and is on the rise here in the U.S. As what appears to be a second wave of the flu spreads, parents are being warned that this flu season has been the worst one for children in a decade. A second wave of the flu virus is hitting the U.S. New numbers from the CDC show after falling for the first 2 weeks of the year, flu cases are back on the rise. So far this season, the CDC estimates there have been at least 26 million flu cases, 250,000 hospitalizations, and 14,000 deaths. This season has been especially hard on children, with flu-related child deaths and hospitalizations at their highest point in a decade.
What we found is that there's been more of a higher predominance of influenza B. And unfortunately, influenza B tends to affect the pediatric population a bit harder.
The virus turning deadly in the state of Virginia.
It's so sad that she's not here. It's so sad.
Where Colette Giovanniello says her 16-year-old daughter Katie was diagnosed with influenza B on February 2nd and died just 5 days later.
That these symptoms could kill her, I just didn't know that. I really didn't, and I didn't really know the flu can kill you.
Giovanniello requested an autopsy and says she now knows for sure her daughter died from the flu despite having a flu shot. Experts say part of the challenge is the two prevalent strains this season, influenza B, which is particularly tough on kids and young adults, and influenza A, which tends to affect kids and the elderly, something they call a double-barrel flu season. Doctors in Missouri have seen more than 44,000 flu cases this season. That's more than double this time last year. Doctors in Johnson County, Kansas have seen more than 5,000 cases. That's the highest number in 6 years at this point in the season.